Katanat Samla jong ko All India Trinamool Congress Aitc Meghalaya mentaka sngi khasan trik unaitung arhajar arpuar kalaya wer ki Samla ka Jylla bakin pinyaso barkani ka seng sain perthai ban Wanruh ya ka Jingkylla ha ka Jylla. Presiden ke Aitc Youth Wing uba Fernandez dekar habakran shikila pathai Khubor mentaka sngi ulaong ba ka parti kala bu thong ban pinrung khon kabaduna shi hajar ngot haman ka wei pa ka blok ha ka Jylla. Ulaong ba man la ki blok ki doni ki Samla bat ki Samla ki nyale persha ya ka jingbam sap jong ka ni ka sarkar ba menta. Balada ki pat ba kim sngau kya ka Jylla ka sakala byang kum ka juk hendai.
TMC youth is already there. Now, this is the first state executive. In every block, we already have the convening team of the youth also. So, from now on, we will be notifying all the youths and we will create one platform that the youth, those who are like-minded, who want to fight against this corruption, against this high-level system, they should realize by now, or else we may be going back to those time where only kings they will behave like king and we are as their servant. So I don't want our youth to be the servant of anybody. They should have their own life. They cannot go high level, low level. We are living in a democratic country and we have a free choice. And we should throw out this high level system.